In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a sway bar bushing on your Chevy Express 2500. This is going to be located under the front of the vehicle. Let's get started. Using a 15mm socket, remove the bottom nut, and it came out as a stud. Using a 10mm socket, remove the top bolt, remove the bolt, and remove the bracket. Slide the bushing over to the side and pull it off of the vehicle. Be sure you remember where the brake is. We want to put that back when we reinstall. We're going to wipe down our area, install the new sway bar bushing, slide it into place. If your bottom stud came out with the nut, you can use a 7mm wrench for the top of it and use a 15mm wrench. We're going to loosen the nut on this stud. Go until the nut is all the way at the top. Remove your nut from the stud. Install the bracket over the sway bar bushing. I'm going to use a jack to help me push up on my sway bar link to get this back into place. If your vehicle's on the ground, you may not need to do this since there's not any weight pulling down. I'm going to install this bottom stud into the nut that's on the back side of it. Snug the stud down. Torque the stud to 18 foot-pounds. Install the nut onto the stud and get the top bolt started as well. Snug them both down. Torque the nut to 34 foot-pounds. Torque the bolt to 34 foot-pounds. Repeat the same process on the other side. If you had to use a jack, go ahead and remove it now, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.